Hi everybody, Todd Grafenauer, Murphy Pipelines. Wanted to really show everybody what a typical day's burst looks like. Today we're using pre-chlorinated pipe bursting in a community in Texas, replacing existing 10-inch cast iron with new 10-inch HDPE pipe. This equipment here down in the pit is a static pipe bursting rig. So we are pulling back those rods with the HDPE pipe on the other side. So here, as we pan up with the drone, we can see the residential community. Residents can drive in and out of their driveways. Cross streets are open. Very important as we look at some of the social aspects of Trenchless as a whole. So now we're starting to pull in the HDPE pipe. You can see that splitting tool and expander in one. That's from Scandinavia No Dig. We call it the shark fin. So that splitting tool, that shark fin, splits and fractures the cast iron, in which that expander then pushes that fractured pipe into the surrounding soil to create the annular space for that new HDPE pipe to be pulled in. You can also see the tracing wire on there. So yes, we can install tracing wire, so this line can be traced anytime in the future. And then as we pan up here, we'll see that long section of HDPE pipe. Again, today's burst is about 650 feet. Now on this line, we had multiple third-party utilities. Here you can see a 2-inch gas line. So anytime we're in the vicinity of a third-party utility, we'll pothole to relieve soil pressure. Here we actually have a sewer that runs right underneath the existing water main. So again, preparation, remove that soil pressure. So we're making sure that third-party utility is not impacted. And now as we pan down from the receiving pit down to the insertion pit, you'll see that HDPE pipe as it's being pulled in. One of the beautiful things about these drones is really to give you an idea of how these methods are impacting the community. Traffic flow, businesses, the residents. And then finally here, that burst head is getting close to the pit. So now we come in, this is the extraction cage in which that HDPE pipe is being pulled in. All in all, that 650 feet is replaced in about 2 hours.